Hello everyone! Today we are going to study about the Korean grammar particles 은, 는, and 이가. 은, 는, and 이가 are particles that attach to the end of nouns. They indicate the topic or the subject of a sentence. In many cases, you can use both 은, 는, and 이가 naturally, and they are interchangeable. However, there are specific situations where they create a difference in meaning. We'll learn about those differences step by step later on. I'll let you know how to use them. If the last letter of a noun has a final consonant, we use 은 or 이. If it doesn't have a final consonant, we use 는 or 가. For example, the word 동생, the last letter 생, has a final consonant, 이응, so it becomes 동생은 or 동생이. The word 언니, the last letter 니, has no final consonant, so it becomes 언니는 or 언니가. Now there are a few exceptions. The words 나, 저, and 누구, they don't have a final consonant. We don't say 나가, 저가, 누구가. Instead, we say 내가, 제가, 누가. The 은는 particle works normally. 나는, 저는, 누구는. It's okay. Now, shall we practice by filling in the blanks? What goes in this blank? 이름 뭐예요? 아이린이에요. Good job. 이름, 름 has a final consonant, so we use 이름이 뭐예요? 이름은 뭐예요? Let's try another one. 친구, 의사예요? 네, 맞아요. What should go in here? That's right. 친구, 구 has no final consonant, so it becomes 친구가 의사예요? 친구는 의사예요? And one more. 직업 뭐예요? 회사원이에요. What do you think? Yes, well done. 직업, 업, has a final consonant. So it becomes 직업이 뭐예요? 직업은 뭐예요? How about this one? 저 사람 누구예요? 가수예요. What goes in the blank? You did a great job. 사람, 람, has a final consonant. So we can say 저 사람이 누구예요? 저 사람은 누구예요? Moving on. What should go here? 식당 어디예요? 저기예요. That's right. 식당, 당 has a final consonant, so it becomes 식당이 어디예요? 식당은 어디예요? 학교 어디예요? 제 학교는 한국대학교예요. What should go in the blank? Good job. 학교, 교 has no final consonant, so we say 학교가 어디예요? 학교는 어디예요? Let's try this one. 전화번호 뭐예요? 010-1234-5678이에요. Excellent. 전화번호 호 has no final consonant, so we can say 전화번호가 뭐예요? 전화번호는 뭐예요? And the last one, 카페 2층이에요? 아니요, 3층이에요. What do you think? Yes, well done. 카페 페 has no final consonant, so we say 카페가 2층이에요. 카페는 2층이에요. Good job, everyone. Today we learned about the topic, subject, particles, 은, 는, and 이가. You are taught today. Goodbye.